Hello, so I am back with a viewer requested video. This viewer wanted to know how I apply my wig just using Pump It Up. No lace glue, no band, no got to be glued, no nothing. So if you want to know how to use this process, then stay tuned. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. I appreciate you. If you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe and like button down below. Let's get it, let's go. Okay, first I'm just putting my wig on to see how it's going to fit and the position I need it to be in. Now I'm going to pull it a little bit further down because I am a part of the big forehead gang and I need to camouflage all that goodness. What I'm going to be using is plain old Pump It Up Spritz, a blow dryer. I'm going to be using the cool setting. I'm going to be using my edge brush. Going to be using a rat tail comb, and you can use clips if you want to, but I'm not going to use clips. Now after I have the wig in position where I need it to be, I'm simply going to flip the lace backwards and I'm going to start to apply and smear around the spritz. I'm not putting it on my hairline, I'm putting it just on my skin, but if you put it on your hairline, it's fine. You just have to take it off a different way, which I'm going to show you how to do later. After I have all the hairspray that I need, I'm simply going to flip the lace back over and pull tight and press it down into the spritz. And I am going to hold it down for a couple of seconds before I start to blow dry, just so it can secure in place. Now after all this pressing, my spritz is basically almost dry, so you can really stop at this point if you want to, but if you need more security, which I'm going to do, I'm going to go through it and I'm going to blow dry on cool just to make sure everything is fully dry. I think this way is the easiest way for beginners, or just if you're lazy or don't plan on keeping your wig on long. This process took a little under 3 minutes, if that. As you can see, I am pulling it and that baby is not coming off. So I'm going to begin styling it and then I'll show you how I remove it. Okay, so it's on. Now, it's on good, but all you have to do if you don't have it on your hair is stick your finger under and run it along your skin, and it's easy just like that. But if you do happen to get some spritz on your hairline, you can always just spray with a little water and it'll slip right off. If you like this video, don't forget to like, rate, comment, and subscribe down below. If you have a request for another video that you want to see, let me know and I'll get it to you. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.